Hello everyone and welcome back to another van tour. Today I'm working from a local house near me called Burghley House just to test out all the equipment and make sure everything is working before I set off on my travels. So I've got some clips that I will share with you, just some bits and pieces over the last week, and I'll explain a few bits and then I'll give you a little bit more of a tour. Burghley House was built and designed by William Cecil, the first Lord Burghley. This is the old kitchen, which was dated back to the 18th and 19th century with lots of copper. And note these skulls on the wall are actually turtle skulls, when they used to make turtle soup. This isn't a working kitchen today, but it's still brilliant to see in great condition. This was my favourite room, one of the bell rooms, which is where the servants could be called from any room in the house. Walking through the hallways, I felt like I was in one of the Bridgerton episodes, and it's just such an amazing place to visit. I've lived so close to this place for 4 years and didn't even realise there was a chapel inside. One of the most precious parts of this building is the chapel which was used back in the Victorian era. There's actually 2 chapels in this building. This one's for the family and there's another one for the servants. This is the brown drawing room and one of many in this building. My favourite bedroom in the whole of Burghley is Queen Elizabeth's bedroom, which dates back to the 17th century and was remade in the 1980s. If you haven't been before, I definitely recommend Burghley House. It's perfect to park up in a camper van or a car and go for a picnic, and there is lots of grounds to walk around. Visiting is only £20 into the house and the gardens, but you can walk around and park for free. I found a nice secluded spot to work from for the rest of the day, and then I'm going to give you a tour of the inside of the cabin in a second as well. So here are a few of the extra bits that came with the van. You've not seen in the cab yet. So we have 3 seats and I'm obviously in the driver's seat. We've got a solar panel here, which is brilliant, which actually runs the fridge and our USB points, and it all runs in there as well. So pretty basic. I have no aircon. I have just a normal radio, and it is a diesel van as well. So very, very basic. That's like the inside of the van in there. And then on the outside we have this feature here, which is a electric hookup for when we're at camper van, caravan sites, and that runs the plug, 3-point plug inside. And then round the back we've got all of the, climb over here. Here we go, started to get kitted out in here now. I've got some more cutlery to go up to Dean and Leona because we have exclusive cutlery on their website. Everything in there as for our kitchen is sorted. I still haven't put the alloy back on, and I've got some water containers, and this is just rubbish to go to the recycling. So as you can see, there is a lot of room to sit, so I can either sit and lay across the bed or I can sit on that seat as well to work. So that's all from me from today. I'm going to finish up on the van, find some final tweaking that needs sorting. I'm also going to get the battery pack in here so that my laptop stays charged whilst I'm on the road, and I'll show you all of that once we get going. But thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my journey. I leave on Friday for the Lake District, and then I go to Scotland and I meet Leona, and we're going to go to the Isle of Arran. So we've got lots and lots of surprises happening, about 3.5, 4 weeks in Scotland, and then I come back down and I go to Devon and Dorset as well. So